What is going on, guys? And today this video might be the very last video that you'll see. This is very emotional for me, but might be the last time you'll see the FK7 on the channel. It was a really good run. This channel wouldn't be, I wouldn't have you guys on this channel if it weren't for this car, because without this car, I probably wouldn't be making any YouTube videos. I might be posting videos that I've already recorded in the past. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Nothing too major. I know most of you guys are going to be upset, asking why am I getting rid of this car exactly. But I made a decision to get rid of this car, unfortunately, because there was really no point on keeping this car, because I have the Type R. It's pretty much the same car. It's still a 10th gen Honda Civic. It uses mostly the same parts. So I thought to myself, why bother having two of these cars when, we can get something else, make more content on the channel. But yeah, I pretty much almost completed this car. I was gonna be putting new wheels on this, as well as some other things. Might as well do a cold start. I got the two keys right here. Last time I'll ever hear it. Not gonna lie, I'm really gonna miss this car. Man, she's a beauty. Currently, it only has 17,407 miles on the odometer. But yeah, I pretty much got everything out of this car. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving these carbon fiber bits for the next owner, as well as the interior foot lighting with the remote. So if ever, they play around with this car, they'll see this remote and start playing with it. I'm definitely gonna be missing the plain black interior of the FK7. I got the leather steering wheel, which I prefer. This black interior. I'm a plain guy, so I'm okay with just black. I'm also deleting all the phones that has been connected to this car, just so that whoever gets this car next can, add their phone and whatnot. They don't have to see any of my phones to the list. So just I guess I'm doing them a favor. So I did clean up the engine bay for them. It looks really clean. It looks like brand new almost. Actually better than brand new. We can see the water beading off because of the dressing that we applied. But yeah, with foggy windows, you can actually see my handles. So I got the Chris Time Instagram there, the YouTube logo there, another one, Instagram, then a YouTube logo there. So yeah. I guess that's a little Easter egg that you can find on the car. I also kept the Lasfit Auto LED lighting sticker there, because this car is equipped with Lasfit LEDs from the taillights to the headlights, as well as all the interior pieces. It all has Lasfit LEDs. So it's been a while since I last put Plasti Dip on this vehicle. It's been more than a year, I think, and it's been holding up really nice. It looks exactly like the day I put it on. After so many washes, even with the pressure washer, Plasti Dip has held up even in hot weather, because this car has been sitting out in the sun during the summertime. But yeah, the Plasti Dip is still on and it looks exactly the same. No issues whatsoever, and it looks really nice. So that's an update on the Plasti Dip. I think the Carvana people are here. So yeah, they're here to pick up the car. And this is gonna be the last time that officially I'm gonna be seeing this car. All right, they put like temporary plates on her and everything. Whole process literally took like 10 minutes. So I guess they're gonna just drive off with the car. So this is officially goodbye to the car. Got the Carvana guys leaving. White car is about to leave. Very sad day today. There she goes, guys. Bye, car. Bye, car. I got her license plate right there, so just something that I can remember the car. Literally took like less than 15 minutes for them to come pick it up. They looked around the car and they just took it. I was expecting to see like a Carvana truck, but that wasn't the case. They just showed up in like a Toyota 4Runner and they grabbed the car. In the meantime, this is still a 10th gen. Like I said, most of the stuff that'll fit in the FK8 will fit the FK7. So unfortunately, FK7 is no longer with us, but it will be in our memories. So that's the spot where the car once sat, and you can see it. Feels so empty without the white car. Today, I'm gonna be showing you my brand new car. Which you would then place your dash cam in between. All you gotta do is just pull the other side down and it just comes off just like that. It doesn't matter which way you put them in. There you go. Now we're good to go. Mind. The screw is facing this way, so it's gonna be hard to release. So you have your own little first aid kit. One person will be pushing up. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with a new one, the IBAC spring. There you go. Of course, we have the side of the vehicle. It used to be white, now it's brown. It's just covered with salt. video. But yeah.